Hey friends, it's Labrisca with My Eclectic Treasures, and I want to show you how to make a rag pumpkin. You are going to need a styrofoam ball, need some orange fabric, something for your leaves, some wire, something wire related for your little tendrils. You're going to want something for your stem, and you're going to want something to cut your fabric into uniform pieces. I use a self-healing mat and my rotary blade, and then you're also going to need some hot glue. Decided on a different fabric. My styrofoam ball is 1.5 inches in diameter, and so I'm going to cut my squares at 2.5 inches in diameter. Something I forgot to mention that you're going to need is a skewer. Cut the tip off so it's not too pointy, but you're going to take your skewer and your fabric, and you're going to wrap the fabric around the skewer, add a little bit of hot glue, and then you're going to take that and you're going to stick that into your styrofoam ball, and you're going to keep doing that until it's covered. And there you go. That's all there is to making a rag pumpkin. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it inspires you to make some of these for your fall home decor. Thanks, everybody.